Good morning. Whew, wow. Where did that come from? At first I was like, sad face. I don't want to show the brand, right? I declare. How are you guys doing? Are we still showing up every day? Are we still fighting? Are we still choosing to fight, to live? Absolutely, I am. I woke earlier. Sorry for the yawn. And, yeah. I'm hoping I got on the right bra. I don't know if I do or not. I should have. I gotta get some sports bras. This one here clips on the thing there, and I'm hoping when I'm doing my exercises it doesn't pop off. Too late to go back now, so I gotta just be careful, I guess I'm not awake officially yet. I got my air on too high or something. Let's turn that off. Got a half a tank of gas. I gotta go get some gas. I'll get that after I leave the gym. And yeah, I wanted to thank everyone for your support on this channel too. You guys been hanging with me for a mighty long time, and I appreciate every last one of you. I appreciate your comments and your likes and things of that nature. Excuse me. That's what I need. I appreciate it. So what are we talking about today? Bad streets. Man. Ugh. I declare. I just feel kind of quiet, Why come on here if you feel quiet? It may hit me as I drive to the gym. If not, this won't be uploaded. Let's see. Lemon water. There's a yawning. It's not necessary I'm tired, because yawning does not mean that. Because you can yawn in the pool, and that's supposed to be good. So, but yawning is contagious, so you guys might be yawning too. I don't know. Let's do it together. Yeah. Don't know how many that was since I turned this video on. I don't know. I think I got water in my ear. You might not see this video, but this is going to be like, why are you on here yawning? Like, stop. I know. Anyway, I guess I'm waiting for my natural energy to kick in here. I didn't drink any coffee. I just drank water, and yeah. So here we are. And yeah, I'm showing my fat arms. Woo! Woo! The fat arms are out today. It is what it is. Yep. Cellulitis and discoloration and all that. I'm like, whatever. Ugh. Sometimes you let things stop you for many, many years, and you just get to a point and be like, you know what? In order for it to get better, I have to do something in the state that I'm in right now. So here we go. Yeah, absolutely. But I smell good, which is awesome. I love to smell good. And I'm using this new hair product. Oh, Lord Jesus. My hair curls up when it gets wet. But it dries out so fast once it dries, and I don't like that. So I put like a gel on it to kind of lock that water in there. But I came across this product. So it's for natural hair. So I'm trying it and see, and then I'll keep you guys up to date with how it goes. And oh my gosh, what is this? This is too much. I don't remember yawning this much here. It's back to back. I'm not going back home, so that's like, sorry, body, you're going this way. So I'm in control today. We're going to the gym. What? No. We're going forward, not backwards. No. But anyway, yeah, this product, black owned. I saw it on they were on Shark Tank, and I forgot his name. One of the guys was willing to give them like $400,000 for it, and they did not accept it. And I was like, yes. I mean, because everybody don't know, I just got to say it, people who look like me hair. Our hair is different, even within our own race. When I say we all, if you got any of this in you, we all have different types of hair. It's not a one fit all. It's not like that. My mom's sending text messages out. Good morning. So I got to get mine back too. So for many, I mean, you know, everybody went through a phase where, you know, my brothers and sisters, we grew up with water and grease. That's the way my mom, I don't like these humps and bumps, you know what I mean? So my mom, that's how she would do our hair. We would get it pressed and like with a hot comb, so, you know, or straightening comb, whichever the term, you know. And then we would do water and grease. She would, after shampoo, she would, you know, wet our hair and just grease. And our hair would just curl up. And that's the kind of hair we have. Another sister of mine, hers doesn't curl up like everybody else. It's like everybody in my family, they have a different curl pattern. They have a different texture of hair. My mom has very fine hair, curly hair. You can brush her hair. It's just curly and things of that nature. I have a mixture of hair. I have hair that lies down. I have hair that gets curly, not kitchen curly. Some people know what I'm talking about, but anyway. But if it's dry, it can look like a kitchen curly. I'm not going to lie about that. But as long as I keep it moisturized with water and lock that in, I'm good to go. So this particular company, I decided to try them to see, you know, how my hair would be once it dries. See if it's going to give me moisture, because I got the products for moisture, because that's basically what I need. I don't need my hair to get curly or anything like that, because it does it on its own. But I need the moisture. I need to lock in that moisture and things of that nature. What I do notice is when I had a relaxer, my hair didn't get as dry, you know. And that's probably because of the chemical that was in it. But I don't do that anymore, and I'm not trying to go back to that. I've been natural since 2013. So, you know, I'm okay with it. And it takes getting used to in the beginning. When my hair was like short, it was just a curly bush. And people will always ask me, you know, what are you using? How do you get your hair like that? All I could tell them is I shampooed it, you know, or I wet my hair and it did what it did. But see, I didn't know that my hair would do that until I went natural. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, when you have the relaxers, you have new growth and all that kind of stuff. See, it has the curls in there. You see? I don't know if you see that. Is that wet or is that water? What is that anyway? Was that just gray hair? Yeah, that's my gray right there. Yeah. And yeah, that's gray right there too. Oh yeah, that's a, hold on, wait a minute, is that all gray or water? They did say don't put a lot in your hair because you might have some white residue. So maybe, oops, maybe I put too much right there. Oh, I thought that was gray hair. Lord have mercy. Let's see here, what's that? Yeah, so it has the curls, which didn't disturb my curls, which is fine. But I'm just trying to see how it's going to do with the moisture part of it, you know? That's what I'm trying to see. It still smells good. It's still kind of damp. So, and then oh my gosh, that's another thing I'm concerned about, is once I start sweating from my head, and this product gonna come on my face, I wonder if it's gonna break my face out, because you gotta be careful with that too, because it's stuff that's for your hair. It's for your hair, not for your skin on your face. And I gotta I just thought of that. Anyway, okay. And see, my problem area is up top here. I don't know if you can see anything. That's my problem area, where it gets dry. Oh my gosh. And it just like, what are you doing up there? Stop it, you know? And people think my hair is extremely thick. Even the hairstylist thinks it's thick. I don't think it is, because you can see through it, you know? So I don't know if they talking strand wise, but you can see through it. So I don't know. What am I doing? Distributing the stuff that I feel in the back and putting it in the front, and because I don't want all this stuff to come down on my face and break me out. Come on, mister, for this big old truck come. Cause no, forget it, I can't even get over. It's alright. I'll get over though. Somebody gonna be kind enough to let me over. This video might not see the light of day, y'all, because I'm just like, it smells good. Yeah, it smells. Is nobody's turning today? Like, are you serious right now? No? Oh, yes, you are, and you are. Thank you. I was like, wait a minute. Everybody's going straight today. Stop. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Smells good. I'm massaging it into my scalp. Oh, and my I used to itch here in this area, but see, I ordered this oil from my niece, and she makes it, and it took out that itching, which is cool. I gotta yeah, matter of fact, you're right. It stopped. It took maybe about, I want to say a week or two. And I don't feel it. because it used to irritate my scalp. I don't know if it was dry. Was the scalp dry in that area? I know, like, when I would go to the salon, they will always actually have an area that itch, and I never did until maybe a year or two ago. And I would be in the bed and I'd be like rubbing my scalp, because I know you're not supposed to use your nails because you can, break the skin and stuff like that. You don't want to do that. So, but I'm noticing as I put the stuff in my hair, I don't have that itching thing. Okay. That's cool. That is cool. It feels good. I'm just massaging it into my scalp and also my hair. So yeah. I will see this video. Looks like somebody familiar right there. Feels good. It's still wet though. I want to see how it's going to be once it's dry. But the proof is in the pudding once it's dry. As long as my hair is wet, the hair is happy. It's like, hey, yes. Thank you for the water. 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 That's my new hairstyle. Yeah, that's a cool one right there. This is crazy. Oh, Lord Jesus. I declare, what am I going to do with myself? It feels good, though. So, basically, it said not to disturb your hair, but, I mean, I'm not disturbing the curls because they're going to be there, but I'm just trying to just get everything into the hair. Press it in the strands. The shrinkage is real. See how it crawls? It crawls. So, yeah. It smells so good. Whew. Get your hands out your hair, girl. Get your hands out your hair. See, that's why I can't do wigs and can't wear braids long, because, yeah. I always have my hand in my hair. You know? Anyway, I'm going to end up having a new hairstyle before it's all over. The shrinkage, it's real. You know? If I can get something that to just straighten out the curls a little, you know, let it hang a little bit more. That's the thing about natural hair. If you have really curly hair, it takes longer time for it to come out the roots. You know, where if it's straight, it's just, but a curl, when you have a curl pattern, it takes longer to grow. But when you blow it out, then you see the you know, the length and stuff like that. But yeah, people are here to come to the gym. Let me get rid of it.